And yes, guys, this is the other one. These were the last two I got. Hopefully you saw the Bone Shaker before this one. So I got two. These are the two last ones on the pegs, guys. I want to get all the collection soon. This is Gunkster now. I love the gold around the tires. Look at that. Always Monsters, guys. 50th Bigfoot. Gunkster Trophy Champions. Gunkster, look at the cool render. That is so lovely and nice. I love these things. They're so cool. But the Bigfoot is what I'm after. Hopefully I find them one day. Like the Bigfoot 50 logo. Put it up here since it's this one big piece here. Look at that fool over there. We'll go to the truck right now. So here it is, guys. Like a chrome green and gold. Look at that. That's so nice. I love the gold splatter on the wheels, the tires. Gold rims and beadlocks, gold roll cage, gold paint with the green. Look at that Gunkster, guys. These are going to be worth a lot of money soon, I guess. Gold roll cage. Black chassis. There's a little bit of chrome up there. Still pretty cool. Gunkster. And let's look at the little trophy. So this little trophy, the steering wheel and two flags, which is cool. Hot Wheels monster trucks, guys, with the tire at the bottom. Really cool. So I didn't find a semester, but these gold ones really made up. So guys, go get these now. I don't know if they're at Walmart as well. I'm not quite sure. I only saw them at Target so far, so I don't know if they're Target exclusive or not. And they're also $5.49 each. They're a little more expensive. It's because of the paint, I guess. I don't even know. It's like a golden paint. Like, subscribe, comment. You guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.